Hey YouTube, full-time rider here, back again. I'm dropping in to say that I'm heading over to the shooting range right now. It's my first time ever to shoot a gun. It's BBC Ventures. We got a Groupon for it, and by we I mean the martial arts instructors. So what happens there is the Groupon allows me to save to 40%, and they're going to give me a pistol, a 9mm pistol, to fire 50 rounds from for $40. It's an experience for me. It's my first time. My friends are like, "Oh, the pistol's so boring. You should just go straight to the rifles." I don't know. I don't think I'd want to go straight to the rifles just yet. Yeah. So, yeah, we're heading over to DVC right now, the martial arts instructors and I. We haven't planned to go together or anything like that, so we're just sort of heading there on our own. Meeting time is at 11:30. It's currently 11. I don't know how long it'll take me to get there. I feel like my earplugs aren't working properly because the wind noise is insane. Anyways, so yeah, when I get there, I don't know if I'll be turning on my camera or not, but I don't think I'll be shooting with my helmet on either, so what will most likely happen is I'll just take off my GoPro and film using my GoPro, just like, with the external mic. So if that happens, then there would be footage right now, so let's skip right to that.
Yeah.
It's not unless you put your hand in front. Hold it steady.
CZ is really nice, David.
That's why I got that one. Yeah. All to the head.
Try some center mass.
Very nice, Eddie. I think you're a natural.
It's, well, you know, like center of mass is supposed to be like the best spot to aim.
Where that guy's face.
I guess you're just getting ready for the zombie apocalypse? Yeah, all headshots, that's it. That's mine. Thank you. This is going on my wall. Straight to the, like this area. Huh? I think so. I didn't see where yours went.
No, my first two shooters, you guys. And whoever's not shooting it, you get waiting.
Yeah, I think so. Because there's a lot of after yours. To the heart, too. Heartbreaker. I missed. There's one shot that I missed. So I just finished at the gun range. I did get some footage of shooting guns, all the instructors and I. Since it is the GoPro, it will be pretty small on the screen, but it'll still look awesome. You'll hear a lot of bang bang. Even with the external mic, it was loud in there. So now we're riding to lunch, going to Original Joe's at Ironwood. I'm just following my friend up there, one of the instructors. We're having sort of, not a dual ride, but we are having a ride together. He's gonna lead the way back because I don't know how to get back from here. So yeah, that is what's going on right now. There he is. So gas over here is actually really cheap, surprisingly. Anyways, back to the topic of shooting guns. All I got to shoot today, because I can't afford anything else, is the Groupon offer, which is the 9mm handgun. Got 50 rounds of those. I kept the poster, or the target that I was shooting at. Excuse me. Holy. Okay, so besides being the first time, I actually got all my shots in except for one of them. All in the head and neck region. I missed one shot, but other than that, they're all within the head and neck. So yeah. It was really fun actually. I didn't have any trigger fingers or anything like that, but lining up the sights was awesome. It was definitely a thing to experience. I really like the first experience that I had with shooting guns, because you hear on the news, you hear gunshots and all that, but exactly how does it sound in reality, it's hard to tell. But now that you've shot a gun, you know exactly how it sounds and how it should sound. So yeah. It's a little too expensive for me to do consistently now though. The Groupon costed me $40 and that was 50 rounds. It lasted me about maybe 10 minutes at most. I did shoot all 50 at one time though. So yeah, shooting all 50 at once allowed me to keep my own target because I started on a fresh target. Though I only got to experience one gun, but I think for a first time that's more than enough already. Having said that, I would like to experience the other guns, just now is not the right time to do so. Would it be a hobby that I get into? Not really. I will not be purchasing my own guns or anything. But it is once in a while fun to go shooting. My friend told me he can easily go through 100 to 200 bullets in a day, like in a span of like an hour or so. And I believe that now, because it only took me about 10 minutes to go through 50. But that costs like $35 per 50. But he says he buys his own bullets, which is reasonable. And a lot cheaper that way, and if you become a member you get a discount and all that stuff. So So it's a lot cheaper if you are a member, but it doesn't justify me going through all the hassle. Let's just put it that way. It's sort of like bowling. It's well, a lot less expensive to bowl than it is to shoot. And also this place is the closest to us, and it's really dang far. Having said that though, yeah, we're just heading to lunch now. And later on we're gonna do driving range, so hopefully I can put some footage in for that as well. Yep, so I'll check in with you guys when I get to lunch or driving range, whichever one I turn on the camera for. Alright, hey guys, so I'm back, just finished up at the driving range. It was a lot of fun. I think it should be my third time going to the driving range ever in my life, and today we used drivers. Actually every other time I believed I've tried a driver as well, but I've never, in the past 2 times I went, I've never gotten past 100 feet or yards. But today I actually managed to get it all the way to 175, maybe even 200. I was really surprised. It was my first hit. I did have some empty swings at first, and it felt really bad because it's like, okay, here I go, swings, misses, and you're like, wow, crud. and you just go for it again, and then you miss again, you feel like crap, and eventually you get out of it, so you're like, well, screw it, I'll just hit this thing as hard as I can. And that's how you do it. At least that's how I did it. I'm not sure if that's how everybody did it. Anyways, now I'm heading over to a friend's house for... oh wait, this is night. I'm heading over to a friend's house for dinner, because she invited me over and was like, well, we have a lot of food, so do you want to come over here and eat some for us? So I'm like, well, sure, I'll do that. Who doesn't like free food, right? Except I totally forgot to tell my mom that I'm not eating dinner at home. So I'll call her after this. Anyways, yeah, this pretty much concludes my day. My day at the gun range, first time shooting, and then having lunch with the martial arts instructors. And then after that, I'm going to the driving range. It's basically like a full day of just hanging out. And it's pretty much my 6th day of not being at home. Maybe 5th. I don't know anymore. 5th or 6th day in a row to not be at home. I think I'm going to spend a lot more time at home after today. But no guarantees. Whatever plans come up, right? Anyways, so yeah, that's going to conclude my vlog. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time. Bye.